How do I make my shower ADA compliant? When it comes to bathrooms, specifically showers, making them ADA compliant is a key step in achieving this goal. To make your shower ADA compliant, ensure it has roll-in access or a transfer seat, install strategic grab bars, use slip-resistant flooring, place controls and shower heads within easy reach, and adhere to specific ADA dimensions for safety and accessibility. This guide provides detailed instructions and insights on how to modify your shower to meet the Americans with Disabilities Act (ADA) standards, ensuring safety, functionality, and accessibility for all users. Understanding ADA compliance for showers. What ADA compliance? The Americans with Disabilities Act (ADA) sets forth guidelines to ensure public spaces are accessible to people with disabilities. ADA compliance involves adhering to specific dimensions, features, and functionalities that accommodate individuals with various disabilities, promoting their independence and safety. Why make your shower ADA compliant? Ensuring your shower meets ADA standards is crucial for both residential and commercial properties. It fosters an inclusive environment, and it also prevents accidents, enhances user independence, and in commercial settings, ensures legal compliance to avoid penalties. Core principles of ADA-compliant showers. The core principles of ADA-compliant showers are centered around ensuring accessibility, safety, and ease of use for individuals with disabilities. These principles are designed to accommodate a wide range of physical needs, ensuring that all users, including those who use wheelchairs or have other mobility issues, can independently use shower facilities. Types of ADA-compliant showers. There are generally two types of ADA-compliant showers: transfer showers and roll-in showers. Transfer showers are designed for individuals who can move from a wheelchair to a built-in shower seat. These showers are typically 36 inches by 36 inches, allowing enough space for the individual to transfer safely. Roll-in showers cater to users who need to enter the shower in a wheelchair. These showers have no curb and are large enough, minimum of 30 inches by 60 inches, to accommodate a wheelchair turning radius, facilitating direct access. Step-by-step modifications for compliance. Below, we outline a step-by-step approach to achieving compliance, ensuring your shower can accommodate users with varying mobility needs. Step 1. Assess your current shower setup. The first step in making your shower ADA compliant is to assess your current setup. Step 2. Expand shower space if necessary. If your current shower space does not meet the minimum size requirements for ADA compliance, consider expanding it. Step 3. Install non-slip flooring. Safety is paramount in an ADA-compliant shower. Step 4. Lower shower controls and install handheld shower heads. Shower controls and handheld shower heads should be easily reachable for individuals who use wheelchairs or have limited reach. Step 5. Incorporate a barrier-free shower entrance. Remove any thresholds or steps leading into the shower to create a barrier-free entrance. Step 6. Install grab bars. Install grab bars within the shower area to provide support and stability for users. Step 7. Add a shower seat. Including a fold-down or permanent seat in the shower can significantly enhance usability for individuals with disabilities. Step 8. Ensure proper shower enclosure. If your shower includes an enclosure, make sure it does not obstruct access. Step 9. Verify adequate lighting. Good lighting is crucial in an ADA-compliant bathroom. Step 10. Consult ADA guidelines throughout the process. Throughout each step of your modification process, continuously refer back to the ADA guidelines to ensure compliance. Step 11. Consider professional assessment. If you're unsure about any aspect of the compliance process, consider hiring a professional with experience in ADA modifications. Meeting the Americans with Disabilities Act standards. Adapting a shower to meet ADA compliance standards is a significant step towards creating an inclusive and accessible space for everyone.